Sometimes the most powerful innovations are not born inside giant laboratories. They are born in villages, in farms, in the middle of everyday struggles. This is the story of Gurucharan Pradhan from Odisha, a man who transformed a simple bicycle mechanism into a machine that could help farmers across rural India. In the Sundargarh district of Odisha, harvest season often meant exhaustion. Farmers had to spend hours separating grains from crops like wheat and paddy. The work was slow, repetitive, and physically demanding. For small farmers, hiring labor was expensive, and during peak seasons, workers were often difficult to find. Gurucharan Pradhan saw these problems closely. He was a school teacher, but farming was deeply connected to his life. After school hours, he worked in the fields and understood the daily challenges farmers faced. And one day he asked a simple question: what if one low-cost machine could reduce all this hard labor? That thought stayed in his mind. Around the year 2000, he began experimenting with different mechanical parts. Without formal engineering training, he observed agricultural machines nearby and slowly started building his own design. Chains, pedals, bicycle rims, pulleys, simple materials that most people would ignore. But in his hands, these ordinary parts slowly became something extraordinary. For years, he kept testing and improving the machine. Many people around him doubted the idea. Some even laughed at him for spending so much time building machines instead of resting after work. But he did not stop. After nearly 7 years of effort, his innovation was finally ready: a leg-powered, multi-purpose farming machine. By simply pedaling, farmers could separate grains from crops with much less physical effort. And most importantly, it was affordable and practical for rural communities. This innovation later became known as Krishak Sathi, meaning farmer's friend. And that is exactly what it became: a friend to farmers who needed simple and low-cost technology. Over time, his work received recognition from innovation and agricultural organizations across India. But his real achievement was much bigger than awards. He proved that innovation is not limited to scientists in big cities or expensive research labs. Sometimes, the people who understand problems the best are the people living with them every single day.